Hello everyone, I'm Narmatha, Assistant Professor working in Dr. SNS Lakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about JavaScript syntaxes. So already we have discussed different syntaxes used in JavaScript. So rather than that, we are using some other syntaxes. So we'll see that in today's lecture. Variables. So variables for every programming language, we have to define a variable or we have to initialize some values along with that variable. So with that variable only will perform different actions. So here the syntax for variable is var name is equals expression. The example is also given var client name is equals, we are specifying the name of the client, and var age is equals 32. Here var is a keyword, and after that we are specifying a variable name, and for assigning we have used assignment operator and we have assigned values. At last we have to specify a semicolon. So by using this syntax we are creating variables and values for that. So types are not specified here. For other programming language, will specify the data type, but here we didn't specify the data type because it is a loosely typed. Here we can use number, boolean, strings, arrays, object, function, null, and define, and type of also. Number type. So number type, here we are using integer and real numbers, and the operators like plus, minus, star, division, equals, and the precedence we have used in Java. So like that also we can use in JavaScript. So many operators can be auto convert type. So we can automatically convert the type of operators here. Next, comments. So mostly in all programming language, comments will be specified in slash star. In between we are specifying a comment, and star a slash. So with that, this or by double slash, by specifying these two things, the comments will be displayed. So if we want to share any kind of information with user, means on that place we'll use a comment. Next, math object. So if you want to perform a mathematical operations on your program, means you will use a math object. Here we have a math header file. So with this header file, we can include different mathematical operations. Special values. So if you want to define any special values, a null or undefined values means we can also use. So if you want to use the undefined, means it has not been declared, does not exist. That means the value does not exist, means we can specify undefined. Null means it exists but was specifically assigned an empty or null value. Next, logical operators. So we have so many logical operators: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than, equal to, and tilde, not equal to. So like that. So all these logical operators can be used in JavaScript. Next, if-else statements. So here it is like a conditional statement. It checks condition. If condition is true, it prints the if part, or otherwise else part will be printed. Next, Boolean type. So any value can be used as a Boolean type. For example, 0, 0 0.0, NaN, null, two double quotes. So if we are specifying like this, means anything can be called as a Boolean value. So it accepts all the things. Next, for loop. So it is a looping. We want to do some particular task a repeated number of times, means on that place we'll use a for loop concept. Sure, the example is given for loop. So you want to print hello characters one by one means they have created two variables s1 and s2. So by that, using a for loop where I is equal 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus. Here what we are doing means we are performing the precedence operation and we are printing the result. Next, while loop. So while loop and do loops are also a looping statement. Here all we can also use a break and continue keywords. So we have already specified in Java. Thank you. So from this lecture, you can understand about how we are using a variables, if else statements, and for while loops in JavaScript. Thank you.